For a spot Bitcoin ETF, we're just getting news that a D.C. Court of Appeals sided with GREYSCALE in its lawsuit against the SEC. This was after the agency denied GREYSCALE's application to convert its GREYSCALE Bitcoin Trust, that's GBTC, into a Bitcoin ETF. Check out shares of GBTC. Looks like they're up about 15% or so. This fund had really traded at a discount to Bitcoin amid fears that the fund would need to be wound down potentially if this ETF application wasn't improved. You can see it surging today on this news. Coinbase also, which is listed as a partner in a lot of these Bitcoin ETFs, it's up double digits as well, up more than 14% at this point. Bitcoin getting a pop here as well. It could pave the way, guys, for the first of its kind ETF here. Analysts have seen this as a way to really open up the floodgates to retail traders. It would allow the everyday investor to get access to Bitcoin in a brokerage account, for example, and make it easier to allocate to crypto. We do have a statement, guys, from GREYSCALE as well. They say, in part, this is monumental and a monumental step forward for American investors, the Bitcoin ecosystem, and all those who have been advocating for Bitcoin exposure through the added protections of the ETF wrapper. They go on to say the GREYSCALE team and legal advisors are actively reviewing the details outlined in the court's opinion. They're going to be pursuing next steps, they say, with the SEC. GREYSCALE, not the only one here with the Bitcoin ETF. You've got, or application rather, you've got BlackRock and Fidelity also in line. And this has been seen as a major catalyst for prices. Bitcoin in particular, the cryptocurrency has really been trading sideways this year as volume drops and a lot of retail investor interest has slowed down along with prices. Back to you.
Kate, a key part here seems to be the Commission's unexplained discounting of the obvious financial and mathematical relationship between the spot and futures markets falls short of the standard for reasoned decision-making. That's from the decision. Can you explain what that means to our viewers?
Well, so one of the things they worried about, or they said that they worried about, was market manipulation. And the argument has been that they've already approved a futures ETF. They've gone back and tried to solve things like surveillance and added new partners. So the argument by GREYSCALE and others has been, we have solved the issues in terms of market manipulation and what the SEC has said are the issues here. And you've approved a futures ETF. So essentially, it's not that different, and that has been the argument from the crypto bulls and from GREYSCALE in particular. So that's my reading of it. But there has been a lot of hand-wringing over why the SEC has not approved this, because it would be potentially safer wrapper to offer.